It's gonna rain! Fucking hell! Okay, I'm on my rooftop today. I got a big fucking seagull behind me, can you see it? Big fucking seagull. Anyway, I'm gonna show you around the top here again. This is my rooftop studio here above where I live, and then I want to show you some demolition work going on. What's my cushion doing here? Shit. Cushions on the floor. Cushions on the floor. On my chair. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like all my videos. Loads more coming. Hopefully going to make it over to the UK in a few days when I get paid. Subscribe. Buy me a coffee as well. I'm going to put some links in here so you can buy me a coffee and help me when I'm going around about buy a coffee or a beer or a tapas, do food reviews and that kind of thing. Okay, bye for now. Just going to show you this demolition work. So the chair's still there in the corner. It's a little bit oxidated, but anyway, so I'm going to show you this little bit of demolition work. I did a video, I put the link below here from that, and I think you'll be able to see it from here. I'm not really sure. That video, that's fucking big seagull's gone. Anyway, try and not catch people undressing, so you can't really see a lot from here. So that's where I was doing the recording yesterday, the day before. Don't really want to show too much because I'm looking over people's terraces. So there's a beautiful sunrise there, if you can just catch that. So gonna discreetly try and film. Can't really see a lot from here. Can't go any higher. How you can do, kind of. You can see just down there where they're knocking down the building, going from two streets. Diego de Vergara, which is this street here, which is that street there, and then you got another street that goes, that's called Calle Catalunya, which goes across there. So they're going to build a bigger apartment block there. Look at those beautiful skies we've got today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to film from below in a bit to add to the video. That's where I live currently until we sell. Just going to discreetly film, make sure I'm not focusing on anyone. So you can see all the different walls from the different, there's a door there. You can just about see a door just there. So they've been pulling that down for the last 2 or 3 days. See what's going on this side of the rooftop studio. Check out the skies there. You see these two blocks they built over the years. They weren't there when we originally bought the apartment around 19 years ago. This is my street. There's my car down there. Little nice Nissan Micra. It's been parked there for a few days. So we've got these skies there as well. And see the rooftops of Malaga from here. All these satellite dishes here that obviously nobody seems to be using now because it's all internet now, isn't it, guys? So yeah, See what we got this end. Some people doing stuff down there. That's the main apartment block. And it's right above my apartment here as well. This is my living room. So yeah, what I'm going to do is get ready to go downstairs. I'm going to film a little bit before they pull anything else down. It's basically all pulled down now. That little house, I think it was 2 houses. And then carry on the video. Bye for now. Down the lift. Check out what they're doing. Automatic lights. Okay. So there's a car over there. We're gonna take a left. Going to check out what's going on here. This is my street, Calle Andalusia, where people bring their dogs to have a shit and a piss. It's a public toilet. And people leave their vans and shit as well. Fucking arseholes. Well, anyway. So this is Diego de Vergara. Just around the corner from where I am, as you can see. So this is maybe 2 houses here. And then around the corner, Diego de Vergara, and this is Calle Catalunya. I'm going to see what I can record. The cars are going by now, so got to be careful. Okay, so they're pulling it down from the inside now. So this is Calle Catalunya, and you can see where they've been pulling it all from the sides. So yesterday when I was filming, you couldn't get by because they've got the digger here. Just kept people's way. So this was number 28. But get out of focus. So I think this was probably, it looked like it used to be a shop or something. Can't really get to see much because cars are coming. Okay. So the diggers in there. Gonna move out of the way. Get out of the way. So I won't be recording any more of this unless I get from the other side. Hey. see where the paint were on the sides. But obviously this building is going to go further up. Might have to go up 2 or 3 floors, maybe 4. I'm not really sure how tall this new building is going to be. So I'm getting a little bit, but don't think I want to get into trouble. Okay, gonna leave it there. Okay. Gonna end the video there. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like all my videos, don't forget to watch them from beginning to end. Go home and maybe edit some videos or check on emails. Hopefully I get paid today so I can go to the UK for a few days as well. So we're back. Ultimate delights. Ultimate delights. Ultimate delights. Ultimate delight. Automatic light. Automatic light network. Motherfucker. I'm gonna go back. Let me enjoy that video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now. Good. Can't stop working. Okay. Now the lift's not working. Don't get stuck in the lift. Okay, we're going up. Bye for now. Decided to extend the video. So back again already. Just as of the eat. This is the other side of Calle Andalusia. Gonna check out what's going on with this demolition. So they're clearing up a lot of the debris. People can see me filming. Famous already. So check out the other side. See what they cleared up. This is going to be a second video from today. Just want to check out what's happened on this side. Not a lot yet. They pulled up a lot. Pulled down a lot of the sides there. Ooh, nearly lost the phone. Nearly lost the phone. This is 28 Calle Catalunya. We're going to come back and see another day when they pull the rest of it down. There's a lot of work going on here. You can see this is all the dust that comes into my apartment. My God. So this is a building that's been built here as well. Some idiot that keeps shouting in the mornings, going every fucking day. Hopefully they finish soon and we don't have to put them with this stupid noise. I just live around the corner so you can hear every single thing, and there's a school here as well, so they're probably hasta la huevo. Really fed up with it. Smell wood. Oh, they're doing carpentry or something. Carpentry, so this is another building being built. So also we're here in Calle Pelaya, and it's quite a big operation going on here. Just gonna have a quick look. So what's going on? So we're checking out this one as well. All these new buildings being built in the future. Here in Malaga, there's going to be quite a big thing going on there. 28 apartments and 28 parking spaces and a pool as well, swimming pool. Gonna end 2026.